First up, we're kicking off with a classic, fresh veggie sticks with hummus. This is a timeless snack that never goes out of style. It's simple, it's fresh, and it's incredibly satisfying. This isn't rocket science, you donkey. You don't need a culinary degree to whip this up. It's all about making smart, conscious choices that benefit your body and mind. It's about making smart choices. Swap those crisps and dips for something with a bit of crunch and flavor. Imagine the satisfaction of biting into a crisp carrot stick or a refreshing cucumber slice. Carrots, celery, cucumber, peppers, whatever you fancy, chop them into sticks. The beauty of this snack is its versatility. You can mix and match your favorite veggies to keep things interesting. And for the hummus, none of that store-bought rubbish. Make your own with chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's fresher, healthier, and you can tweak the flavors to your liking. This snack is packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. And trust me, it's bloody delicious. The combination of crunchy veggies and creamy hummus is a match made in heaven. You'll be surprised how satisfying a plate of fresh veggies can be. It's a snack that not only tastes great, but also makes you feel good about your choices. Remember, this is about making sustainable changes, not starving yourself. Healthy eating is a lifestyle, not a temporary diet. It's about finding balance and enjoying the process. So ditch the guilt and enjoy a snack that's actually good for you. No more feeling bad about what you eat. Embrace the goodness of fresh, wholesome foods. Now, who said healthy eating had to be boring? With a little creativity, you can make nutritious snacks that are as exciting as they are beneficial. So go ahead, give it a try and start your journey to a healthier you.